Hello and welcome to your daily news update for October 11, 2025. From India's diplomatic moves to major business deals and global events, we've got all the key headlines to kickstart your day. Let's dive into the national and diplomatic news first. India is upgrading its technical mission in Kabul to a full-fledged embassy, marking a significant diplomatic shift with Afghanistan. In exciting news, India and South Korea are discussing expanded cooperation in electronics and digital supply chains. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the India Mobile Congress 2025 in Delhi, urging innovators to build the future in India. Now on to business and corporate moves. Standard Chartered Bank has opened its largest global office in Chennai, consolidating over 13,000 roles. French tech giant Dassault Systems is aiming for $1 billion in Indian revenue with a new R&D center in Pune. Meanwhile, tensions in the Tata Group boardroom are drawing attention over corporate governance after Ratan Tata's passing. Switching gears to global headlines, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has endorsed India's bid for a permanent UN Security Council seat. Trade talks between India and Qatar are nearing conclusion as nations adapt to new US tariff policies. And for music lovers, the Smashing Pumpkins are set to perform their first ever concert in India tomorrow in Bengaluru. In culture and society, the India International Centre's annual arts festival is celebrating women's voices and creativity. Students, don't miss out. The Viksit Bharat Bildathon 2025 registration has been extended until today, encouraging youth-led tech innovation. On the legal front, India's Supreme Court has rejected pleas for nationwide social media guidelines, saying it's a legislative matter. Internationally, the US clarified that reports about a missile sale to Pakistan were incorrect, easing tensions in South Asia. Meanwhile, Russian airstrikes have caused fresh damage in Ukraine, affecting energy networks and residential areas. For sports fans, India is proudly hosting the 2025 BWF World Junior Badminton Championships in Guwahati. The Asian Aquatics Championships are heating up in Ahmedabad with thrilling finals ahead in swimming and diving. And in cricket, the Women's World Cup in India and Sri Lanka is getting intense as teams vie for semi-final spots. Tomorrow, keep an eye on key economic announcements and diplomatic developments in South Asia. If you have a specific topic you want us to cover, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news from India and around the world.